OS Select and Build is a new service on the OS Data Hub that allows you to choose and download exactly the data you need from the OS National Geographic database. This video will show you how to make a personalized selection of OS data, which we call a recipe. Once you're logged in, you'll find OS Select and Build in the Download section of the OS Data Hub. Click the link in the sidebar and you'll be taken to your recipe library, which is where all your recipes will be stored. But of course, when first starting, the library will be empty. So let's go ahead and click the Create a New Recipe button. You'll be asked to give your recipe a name, and you can add a description too if you like. In the sidebar, you can navigate through the themes and collections which contain over 600 million geographic features. First, you'll see the high-level data themes. Click the arrow to reveal collections of related data within each theme. Click again and you'll see the feature types within each collection. We've expanded buildings, and you can see the buildings feature collection, which in turn contains building line and building part. You can select at the top level to get all collections and feature types in the theme, or you can choose a specific feature type, such as building parts. And to help you find exactly what you need, we've built documentation into the platform to give you better insight into what data we hold. Just click on the collection, theme, or feature, and you'll find out all about it on the right-hand side. No need to go elsewhere on the site or download a PDF. If you decide you've found what you want, but need to get even more granular, say to find a building part over a certain height, you can even filter by attribute, though we only recommend this for advanced users. Once you've selected the themes, collections, and features you want, click Create Recipe, and you'll be taken back to the recipe library screen, where the recipe you created is waiting for you. The next step is to select the locations you're interested in, as well as specifying the file format and frequency of updates. For more information on this, see the How to Download a Data Package video.